Good morning, students. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Mr. Parikshit Rana. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss our unit number 6. The title of this unit is Kastha Khandaha, means piece of wood. But before explaining this paragraph, remember the education system of ancient time. In ancient time, in ashram, Guru taught their children, but not in a particular time. They can teach them during the 24 hours. So this chapter is also like that. In this chapter, Guru and his disciple was moving near the bank of the river, and at that time, by seeing the piece of wood, here Guru teaches something to his disciple about life. By taking the example of piece of wood, he teaches about life. Okay? Now look here. I am going to read and I will explain. Ganga Tire, on the bank of the river Ganga. Ekaha means one, and Guru who means Guru, and Shishyen Sah with his disciple. Vartmanaha Asit. Vartmanaha Asit means moving about, or we can say moving with his disciple. So the translation of this first line is, on the bank of the river Ganga, Guru was, Asit means was. So Guru was moving with his disciple. Guru was moving with his disciple. Next line, Sa means he. Jal pravahen niyamanam, being taken away with the flow of water. Once again I repeat, Jal pravahen niyamanam means being taken away with the flow of water. Kanchan kast khandam, one piece of wood. Darsayan, on seeing. And Shishyam aha, aha means said, and Sisya means disciple. Now the translation of this line, we will start from here. On seeing the piece of wood. So means he. He, on seeing the piece of wood, any one piece of wood, which is being taken away with the flow of water, said to his disciple. Once again I repeat. Sa means he. He means here Guru. He, on seeing the piece, any one piece of wood being taken away with the flow of water, said to his disciple. क्या कहा अपने disciple को? अयम जल प्रवाहेण सह, with the flow of water of river. Samudram prasyati. Prasyati means reach. Reach to the ocean. Ayam jal pravahen sah samudram prasyati. Ayam means this. This means who? Piece of wood. So Guru said to his disciple that this will reach with the flow of water to the ocean. But, parantu, but, gaman marge means on the way. Tire sanlagnata, joining at the bank of the river. Bhar adhikyen jale nimagnata. Nimagnata means sinking, and jale means in the water. And bhar adhikyen, due to heaviness or burden. So sinking in the water due to heaviness. आवर्तपातता, to be caught in the whirlpool. नदी जल वियोग, separated from the river. च इति चत्वारो विघ्नः, 4 obstacles न भवेयुः तदा एव, may not be occur, then may not be occur. यहां पर गुरु डिसाइपल को क्या कह रहे हैं कि ये पीस ऑफ फूड है वो समुद्र तक पहुंचेगा, पर कब पहुंचेगा? अगर उसको ये 4 ऑब्स्टेकल है वो उसका सामना उसको ना करना पड़े तो ही वह समुद्र तक पहुंचेगा. So on the way, but on the way, joining at the bank of the river, sinking in the water due to heaviness, to be caught in the whirlpool, and separated from the river, these 4 obstacles may not be occur. So Guru said that if these 4 obstacles like तीरे संलग्नता, भर अधिक्य, जले निमग्नता, आवर्तपातता एंड नदी जल वियोग may not be occur, ये 4 ऑब्स्टेकल का सामना अगर उसको ना करना पड़े तो ही वह समुद्र तक पहुंच पाएगा. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ सम ग्रामर पॉइंट. लुक हियर. शिष्येण सह, पहले भी मैंने आपको समझाया था कि जब भी सह वर्ड आए, सह मीन्स विथ, तो उसके साथ हमेशा इंस्ट्रूमेंटल केस ही यूज होती है, तृतीया विभक्ति. यानी सह मीन्स विथ, उसके साथ तृतीया विभक्ति. ये शिष्येण वर्ड है वो किस विभक्ति में लिखा गया है? इट इज रिटन इन द 3rd पर्सन सिंगुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंटल केस. शिष्येण सह, विथ हिज डिसाइपल. उसी तरह यहां दूसरा वर्ड है जल प्रवाहेण सह, ये भी तृतीया विभक्ति है क्योंकि सह वर्ड यूज हुआ है इसके साथ. सो जल प्रवाह इज अ मेन वर्ड, इट इज जल प्रवाह, द अ एंडिंग मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. यहां पर शिष्य अ एंडिंग मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. सो due to this word, this instrumental case is used, jal pravahen sa, with the flow of water. Okay, now the next paragraph. So look here, this is the second paragraph of this unit. Guru agre upadisati sishyam. Further, Guru preaches, upadisati means preaches the disciple. Vayam sarve, we all are, manavaha, human being, api also, kas khanda eva, like a piece of wood. So we all human beings are also like a piece of wood. Asmakam jivanam, or life. अस्माकं जीवनम एव नदी. Our life is like a river. हमारा जीवन क्या है? एक नदी रूप है. परिवार, family, प्रवाह रूपः. Family is like a flow of water. So writer here compare 3 things. We human being compare with cast khanda, piece of food. Our life is compared with river, and our family is compared with flow of water. Tatra स्नेह रूपम जलम वहति. स्नेह रूपम जलम. स्नेह रूपम जलम means water of affection. Affection in the form of water is also flows there. Vahati flows, tatra means there. So water of affection is also flows there. स्वकीय परिवारे जीवनम जीवंतः, लिविंग लाइफ, जीवनम जीवंतः मीन्स जीते हुए, लिविंग लाइफ, काष्ठ रूपा वयम, वी आर विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पीस ऑफ वुड, सुख पूर्णम संसार रूपम समुद्रम, द वर्ल्ड, संसार रूपम समुद्रम, वर्ल्डली ओशन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। सुख, ये पूरी लाइन का मतलब क्या है? सुख रूपम सुख पूर्णम संसार रूपम समुद्रम, वर्ल्डली ओशन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, अवश्यम प्राप्तुम शक्नुमः, also we can get or we can reach, यदि चत्वारो विघ्ना न भवन्ति, if four obstacle may not be occur. Once again I repeat, स्वकीय परिवारे जीवनम जीवंतः, लिविंग लाइफ इन आवर ओन family, living life with our own family or living life in our own family, caste rupa vayam, we are, which is in the form of piece of wood, also experience the worldly ocean of happiness, avashya praptum, yani experience the worldly ocean of happiness, यदि चत्वारो विघ्ना न भवन्ति, if the four obstacle may not be occur. In the previous paragraph, writer has explained that there are the four obstacles of piece of wood. Like that, there are also four obstacle in our life. जैसे कि piece of wood को चार obstacle बताए हैं यहाँ पर राइटर ने, कि अगर वो ओशन तक नहीं पहुंच सकता, इसका क्या कारण है? क्योंकि अगर उसके रास्ते में चार ऑब्स्टेकल ना आए तो ही वह वहां पर समुद्र में पहुंच सकता है। उसी तरह हमारे जीवन में भी अगर चार ऑब्स्टेकल ना आए तो हम हमारी फैमिली में रहते हुए सुख रूपी समुद्र को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो वो जो फोर ऑब्स्टेकल है वो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में बताया, इट इज गिवन इन द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। Here some words are given, so संसार रूपम, स्नेह रूपम, ये जहां पर रूपम रूपम वर्ड लगा है वो आपको दिख रहा है, प्रवाह रूपम, all these words are of बहुव्रीहि समास. Keep in mind and remember this, प्रवाह रूपम, स्नेह रूपम, संसार रूपम, all are बहुव्रीहि समास.